given A plus BI, okay, Argand diagram shown. This is Argand diagram, okay. Actually graph, only a graph, okay, only graph. First thing, given Z equals A plus BI, A plus BI change to coordinate X plus B. So B, positive B. Coordinate AB. So what is the coordinate? Okay, just mark here. This is point AB. So the X axis change to real Z. Y axis change to imaginary Z and origin. Okay, and this is point AB or Z. Okay, if you from origin join the line to P, this is actually Z or Z modulus Z. Actually, okay, modulus and argument. Okay, modulus actually distance, and the argument argue actually angle or theta. Okay, so given that, okay, point P AB, why? Because of Z is equal to A plus BI. Okay, so change to coordinate AB. This is coordinate AB, point AB, origin, real Z for X axis, imaginary Z for Y axis. Then this is distance from 0 to point P. How to find modulus? Okay, Z. Okay, the formula is square root of square plus square. Same like Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Then take A sini, A substitute, B substitute. So now the formula is to find the modulus of Z is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. And this is to find the modulus. Okay, sometimes you can say you find Z modulus. What is Z? Z is equal to A plus BI. Okay, yang ini. Okay, is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. Okay, how to find angle? Angle is called argument of Z, A plus BI, and normally we written as argument of Z is equal to theta, and theta must stabilize in between ni X positive sini starting X positive to the line kat sini. This is theta when P lies in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, theta starting from X positive to the line. Okay. So theta for complex number, for polar form ini, theta lies between from negative pi to pi, not from 0 to 360. No, So from negative 3.14 something to 3.14 something. If I change to inequalities to number line, ini negative pi, 0, pi. Okay, so divide to positive and negative. Okay, so here ni on the left hand side ni negative from negative infinity, negative pi to 0. Okay, negative pi to 0. So for theta starting dia macam ni. From negative ke macam ni. Negative 0 to negative pi macam ni. Dia punya theta. So theta suppose negative. Theta suppose negative. Means that point P lies in the third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, so negative. When from 0 to pi, 0 to pi. Okay, ni positive this is positive side. Okay, answer for theta positive. Theta in positive. So if you say that ini from positive negative positive x-axis up to one whole round 360, this is not for theta lah, tak ada. Okay, theta only lies between, dia potong-potong from here to here stop and here to here stop, half and half je, dia tak ada one whole round, tak ada. Okay, jadi ni. So, ini positif, this one negative for theta. Okay, settle itu for theta. So, to find theta, you have to find basic angle dulu lah nanti So, okay, in the second quadrant, it's okay. Later to discuss in the second quadrant. Yeah, something like theta is equal to pi. Theta is equal to pi minus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is basic angle. Okay. So alpha, basic angle, acute angle is equal to tangent y over x and b over a. In the first quadrant, theta is equal to alpha. Macam ni Let's say sini line P. Okay, this is theta, first quadrant. This one also alpha, basic angle. Okay, settle. For the second quadrant, so point sini, second quadrant, point P kat sini, second quadrant. So theta starting positive x to the line kat sini. This is theta. So alpha is equal to acute angle alpha. So to find theta, you need to find semua all pi minus alpha is equal to theta. Okay, this is the second quadrant. Okay, for the third quadrant, macam ni. So for the third quadrant, sini third quadrant sini. This is third quadrant point. So to find theta starting from positive x-axis to the line bawah. Okay, not from above because of dia stop sampai pi, negative pi atau pi, right? Okay, this is theta. Okay, to find theta, you need to find alpha, basic angle. So all pi minus alpha is equal to theta. Theta is equal to pi minus alpha. Because of this is third quadrant, should be negative. Okay, just add on negative. For the fourth quadrant, tak nampak. Theta negative infinity. Okay, for the fourth quadrant, sini lies in the fourth quadrant point. So this is from x-axis, positive x-axis to the line. This is theta. Okay, and find the alpha. So theta equals negative alpha. Why? Because of actually theta equals alpha, but because of lies below the in the fourth quadrant, just add on negative. Yang first quadrant positive, the fourth quadrant negative. Dia opposite mirror image symmetry, right? Settle. Present complex number in Argand diagram, graph. Graph. Calculate modulus, distance, okay, and argument theta. Okay, sketch graph. Okay, modulus, distance, and theta. Okay, theta. Kalau problem, check. Let's concentrate. This one, given z equals 1 plus I. Okay, I suggest you to change to coordinate x, y. So 1, 1 coordinate. Okay, then sketch Argand diagram, graph. X-axis, real offset. Y-axis, imaginary offset. 0, origin. And then 1, 1. Coordinate point here. Then from origin to the line. Kat sini. Okay, stop So, theta from x, positive x-axis to the line. This is theta. Dah, settle. So, Argand diagram done already. Okay, now you need to find modulus of z. Okay, formula square root of square plus square. Okay, so here is 1, 1. Substitute 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2. Done. Simple. So simple Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Then next step you need to find theta. Theta same lah, find alpha. Find alpha first. Kita get rid of theta dulu. Alpha is equal to tangent absolute value absolute value. Okay. Y over x. 1 over 1. Or tangent 1. Check calculator. Your calculator suppose in radian mode. Okay. And find tangent tangent 1 is equal to pi over 4. Okay. In radian. Not in degree. Radian, you can leave same like fraction, pi over 4 or in decimal. When in decimal, give answer in at least 3 significant figures. Okay. Then theta is equal to alpha, and alpha means that for pi over 4. Done. Settle for A. Okay, settle Any problem class? Class? Okay. Okay. Okay, you can give answer in fraction or in decimal. Try B. So, given z is equal to -4 plus I. Change to coordinate. -4, 1. Settle. Okay. Then -4, 1. Second quadrant. Second quadrant. Okay. R real for z. Imaginary for z. 0 origin. Settle. Okay. -4 and 1. -4, 1 here. This is the point. Okay, so join from origin to the point. Okay, this is actually modulus for z. Then you need to find what is theta. Mana theta from ni positive x to the line. This is theta. Okay, at the same time opposite, this is alpha. Basic angle. Settle. First thing you need to find, up to you. Can I find theta first before I find modulus? It's okay, up to you. Okay. Modulus. Okay, square root of. Okay. And then substitute. -4. Yeah, -4. And 1. Then 16 plus 1, 17. Can I write like this? 4 square root 4 squared plus 1 squared is equal same answer, same definitive 17. No, this is cannot. Why? This is 4, 1. Coordinate 4, 1. Different direction. So cannot. Okay, you have to substitute the same value for x and for y. -4 squared plus 1 squared. Settle for modulus. Can I give in decimal? Yes, but better give in the fraction or in the surd because I'm more accurate lagi. So settle for modulus. Now go to theta. To find theta, you need to find alpha. Basic angle. Basic angle less than 90. Okay. Theta at tangent modulus absolute value. This one modulus for distance, right? Z tu. In this one, modulus means the absolute value positive. So, y over x. 1 over negative 4. Okay. So, positive. Positive, take value positive because of this is absolute value. Then, use calculator. Make sure your calculator in radian mode and find. Okay, please find for me what is tangent 1 over 4 in a radian, please.
0.450.
Sure.
0.2450.
2450 0.2450. Okay, good. Okay, check. Okay, radian. Okay, then okay. Say that argument of z or theta. All ini all pi minus alpha. Okay, pi minus 0.2450 and find the answer. Find the answer, please.
2.
2.8966. Okay, so check answer. Okay, so this dah done, settle. Check answer. Okay, and 17. Check. Bayang. 2.4498. 2.5. Okay, settle. 2.8966. 2.86. Okay, settle. Suppose your coordinate is negative 2. Imagine, negative 2 lies in the third quadrant. Write the Argand diagram. X-axis, real of z. Imaginary z, 0. Okay. Then label. Okay, mark the point. Negative 2. Sini. Negative 2. So this is the answer. The point. Point. And join from origin to the point. Okay. Settle. Okay, this is Argand diagram. I'm going to stop. Okay. To have to label theta or something. Stop. But to find theta from x, positive x-axis to the line. This is theta. Now this is theta. Okay. Always kita go more to find a modulus. Modulus. Okay, modulus. Square root of square something plus square something. Substitute. Substitute. Negative 2 ni substitute negative 2. Then 4 plus 4, 8. You may leave answer insert 8 or to insert 2. Up to you lah. Okay, settle calculator give answer into set 2. Okay, settle. To find the theta, you need to find basic angle. Sini, basic angle. Okay, opposite ada complement, right? Okay, so alpha at tangent, okay, modulus value y over x, negative 2 over negative 2 is equal to at tangent 1. Then at tangent 1 is equal to pi over 4. Or you may leave answer in decimal. Okay, decimal pun okay. Okay, then the next step. Okay, argument of z or theta is equal to take all one. This is pi minus alpha and get the theta. Kan? Check the Argand diagram ni. Okay, so your pi is pi, alpha equals pi over 4. simplify. Pi minus pi over 4, 3 pi over 4. And before you say the yes, done, check. Check. Okay, this is the point lies in the third quadrant. Answer supposed in negative. So just you add on negative je. Bracket, negative, negative. Dan theta lies from negative pi to pi, right? So theta from ini to the pi stop, okay, to the pi. So either positive atas or negative. So the last in the third quadrant, answer is negative. You cari macam biasa and then lepas tu add on dengan negative. Boleh?
Boleh.
Atau in decimal Decimal boleh. Okay, decimal. Ni, decimal. Okay Okay, leave answer in decimal or in fraction. So for C, I prefer pi over 4 lah, atau 3 pi over 4 kan, because already say in that one accurate. But it's up to you, semua okay. For D given to minus I, first coordinate x, y to negative 1, this coordinate. Okay, then modulus to negative 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Third 5. That is modulus. Okay. Let's say, this is Argand diagram to negative 1. This is the point. Yeah, this is Argand diagram lah. Real, x-axis real, y imaginary, and origin. Okay. So theta from x-axis, positive x-axis to the line. Okay, means that dia below x-axis. Answer should be negative for theta. So, to find theta, you need to find alpha. Cari alpha. At tangent, find alpha lah senang. Find alpha. Y over x. Negative 1 over 2. And when you use calculator, make sure in positive form. Positive form. Okay, please give me answer at tangent 1 over 2, please. Faham?
0.4636.
Okay, settle. Okay, but argument z is equal to theta, okay, is equal to alpha. Okay, alpha 0.463 6 radian, and check. Oh, this is below below x-axis. You can just write down negative. Okay, settle negative and done. Settle. Habis So ini this is the answer dia. Okay. Okay, ini dia answer dia. Okay, settle. Argand diagram. Okay, point A, B. So, Z is equal to A plus BI. Coordinate A, B. Okay, imaginary y-axis. Real number for X, origin. Okay, so theta. Now, let's say, if you remember the trigo, cos theta, sin theta. Okay, so remember that trigo, this is R or modulus Z lah, sama. R or modulus Z. So, sekali recall trigo cos theta. Cos theta means that adjacent over hypotenuse. So, A over R. Okay, sin theta opposite over kan hypotenuse. So B over R. Okay, so now if R or modulus Z is equal to A square root of A squared plus B squared, kita nak cari polar form. Okay, so cos theta equals A over R. Take A as a subject, cari macam ni. Take B as a subject, then you get R sin theta. Settle Settle and given complex number Z equals A plus BI, substitute A. Okay, and get R cos theta plus substitute B and get R sin theta. Just substitute. This is A, R cos theta. This is B, R sin theta. Oh, ni. Okay, this one without I, right? Okay, because of the same R factorize R. So, this is called polar form of a complex number Z. Kan? Habis. Itu je. This is polar form. Okay. Example, express each of the following complex number in polar form. Mention polar form. Polar form is Z is equal to R or modulus of Z cos theta plus I sin theta. Just substitute. You need to find R or modulus Z. Theta, argument. Then substitute in the template. This template named as polar form. So this is the example. This is actually example 6. Okay, the answer for R and theta, right? Okay, example 6 itu. So the polar form Z equals R cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, tadi modulus Z is equal to 2, right? Theta, forgot modulus Z is equal to 16 plus 1, 17. Yang ini 4 plus 4, 8, set 8 or 2, set 2. Yang ini 4 plus 1, modulus 5. And then the argument, I can't remember, right? Okay, just substitute. The modulus R and tadi theta, substitute in the template. This template. For B, modulus and tadi theta argument, substitute. Okay, radian. This one also negative, right? Okay, and then stop. I simplify to the positive. Jadi cos 2 ni 0.562, right? Minus I sin 2.3562, right? Pun okay. 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 Apa stop until kat sini lah. Okay. So kalau stop sini, it's okay. Still okay. No problem. Okay. So for D, same procedure juga. Negative 0.46365. Given Z1 equals 2I, 2 minus I, Z2 equals negative 1 plus 3I. Find modulus Z1, Z2. What does it mean? Z1, Z2. Ni apa ni? In between Z1, Z2.
Darab.
Yes, good. Times. Okay. Argument Z1, Z2 means, okay, you need to solve for Z1, Z2. Z1 times Z2. Leave answer in the form A plus BI. When get answer in A plus BI, find modulus and argument. Then substitute in the polar form. Polar form formula ni je, R cos theta plus I sin theta. Substitute R modulus theta argument. Okay, so for part B ni, okay, you need to reduce, simplify, change to pattern answer A plus BI. Then find modulus, find argument. Problem students is to simplify this term to A plus BI. Yang ni pun sama, A plus BI. Okay, Okay, sama kan? Okay, so now kita nak simplify Z1 times Z2 to A plus BI. Kita punya aim is to find modulus, argument and in polar form. Okay, yang ni dulu. Okay, kita concentrate on ini je, inside ni. Ignore dia punya modulus. Ni times ni 2 times negative 1 negative 2 times 3i plus 6i negative I times negative 1 positive I times 3i negative 3i squared. Simplify. Negative 3, make sure I squared is equal to negative 1. And make sure you only jangan careless. Answer is 1 plus 7i. Ini pattern A plus BI. Settle. Okay. So now to find modulus Z1 times Z2. Answer is 1 plus 7i. Itu pun boleh. Ini pun boleh. You just substitute. Okay. Square root of something squared over something. So 1, 7. Okay, settle Okay, 49 plus 1, 50. Boleh buat macam ni. 25 times 2, right? 5, 2 pun okay. Up to you lah. Settle for modulus. Guys, Hazim?
Settle.
Okay, settle. Now, aim is to find argument. Cari. Argument. Dia tak suruh sketch Argand, tak payah. So, for me, okay, this is kan, you punya Z is 1 plus 7i. Coordinate is 1, 7 coordinate. So, you boleh sketch. Okay. Even though dia didn't ask you to sketch the graph Argand diagram, kita just sketch je. Okay. 1, 7. Sini 1. Tinggi 7. Sini. Confirm last in the first quadrant. Nak tahu itu je. In the first quadrant. So, theta sini. From positive x to the line. Theta. This is theta. So, cari alpha lah. Cari alpha to respect for basic angle kan. Alpha is equal to arctangent y over x. 7 over 1. And cari. Use calculator. Give me answer please.
1.4289.
Radian Okay. So argument theta, argument of z is equal to alpha. Alpha is equal to 1.4289. So 1, 2, 3. Kalau nak start 1.43 pun okay. 1.1249 pun okay. So saya nak buat ni 3 juga, nak buat juga. Can, because of this is consider 3 significant figures. If you write 1.4, no, cannot. Because of at least 3 significant figures. Okay, settle. So the next step is leave answer in polar form. Okay, answer in polar form. Okay, polar form macam ni kan. Cos theta plus I sin theta. So you punya Z atau take all ni kan. Diam je lah macam ni je. R equals 5 sec 2 or sec 50 cos theta. Cos theta is 1.43 radian plus I Sin theta is 1.43 radian. Habis. Now we want to reduce to A plus BI. Okay, Z2 over Z1. Nak reduce to pattern Z2 over Z1 is equal to A plus BI. Okay, A plus BI. So how to get rid of 2 minus I? Macam mana? Ni. Nak buang macam mana? Kena times dengan?
Conjugate.
Conjugate is?
2 plus I.
Plus
Mesti
I.
tahu kan? Mesti tahu. Confirm. Okay. Ini negative 1 plus 3i. 2 plus I. 2 minus I. Okay. Up to 3. So, negative 1 to negative 2. Negative I. Plus 6i. Plus 3i squared. Okay. 4 minus I squared or 4 plus 1. Okay. And then negative 2 minus plus 5i minus 3. Okay. Over 4 plus 1. Negative 5 plus 5i over 5 or negative 1 plus I. Settle. And negative 1 plus I. Okay. Settle. Okay. Dapat tak? Kan? Okay.
Dapat.
So, koordinat negative 1, 1. Negative 1, 1. Dia punya ni, second quadrant. Sini. Second quadrant. So, theta suppose positive lah. Senang. Senang kan? Ini this is alpha. Settle. So, to find the modulus Z2 over Z1 modulus. Modulus. Okay, square plus square. Negative 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Settle for modulus. For argument, find alpha. Alpha is at tangent 1 over negative 1. Okay, ni 1 over negative 1 is equal to at tangent 1. Okay, and find that one is equal to pi over 4. Okay, and theta is equal to all ni pi minus alpha. Pi minus pi over 4 is equal to 3 pi over 4. Settle. And polar form. Okay, polar form. Okay, polar form pattern R cos theta plus I sin theta. So your R is equal to cos 3 pi over 4 plus I sin 3 pi over 4. Done. Settle.